Modern facilities generate millions of measurements every second, yet operators supervising them are trapped in control rooms filled with disconnected software screens. Because this data is fragmented across isolated PLCs and legacy monitoring tools, answering basic operational questions, like where specific process value is being lost, or verifying the exact timeline before a fault, becomes nearly impossible. To solve this, the current software market aggressively pushes a dangerous shortcut, applying generative models or predictive machine learning directly on top of raw, unprocessed field signals. Routing raw instrument data directly into a machine learning model ignores local safety constraints. It bypasses calibration context and severs the link between human authority and physical execution. The M0N0 V2.1 Integrated Industrial Intelligence Platform is engineered specifically to prevent this. The architecture does not begin with algorithms. It starts with physical truth, verified field measurements mapped to their precise operating context and bounded by deterministic control. Ungoverned artificial intelligence in a manufacturing environment is an unacceptable safety risk. Intelligence must be structurally subordinated to physical governments. We can trace this architectural rigor through a specific, high-stakes application, the thermal degassing rooms used in industrial cable manufacturing. After the insulation phase, large cable drums must sit in heated chambers for extended periods. Elevated temperatures force trapped gases out of the insulation before the cable proceeds to quality testing. Conventional SCADA systems monitor these rooms reactively. They record current temperatures and wait to trigger an alarm only when a fixed thermal threshold is breached. Fixed thresholds mask developing failures. Sensor drift or localized overheating, or a gradual deterioration in thermal stability, can compromise product quality for hours before an alarm finally sounds. The engineering challenge is detecting these subtle, sub-threshold thermal deviations early, and it must be done without relying on a historical library of labeled failure data, which rarely exists in stable production environments. Predictive supervision requires an intelligence layer capable of understanding the entire historical baseline of the process to identify anomalies as they form. Capturing that historical baseline reliably across the plant floor requires a paperless enterprise. This involves restructuring factory workflows around digitally controlled evidence rather than simply scanning paper PDFs. This structure builds a governed digital thread where every electronic approval, quality check, and sensor reading carries a persistent identity linked directly to a specific physical asset. When a customer order originates in the ERP system, it flows into the manufacturing execution system and binds uniquely to a single physical cable drum rolling into the degassing room. Raw data lacks meaning. A thermocouple reading of 65 degrees Celsius is useless noise unless the architecture automatically binds it to the active product recipe, the current heating mode, and the sensor's calibration state. This illustrates the VIVO Validity gate, the primary gatekeeper ensuring data integrity before it reaches upstream intelligence. The gate tests every incoming data packet against 4 criteria. Is the evidence relevant, representative, timely, and valid for the specific operational decision? By actively rejecting data with poor quality codes or missing context, the VIVO gate ensures that any predictive model deployed downstream trains exclusively on verified physical truth, preventing AI hallucinations at the source. This flowchart maps the complete M0N0 V2.1 architecture, demonstrating how validated data is explicitly routed. At the center, the decision mode classifier acts as a logic fork. It bifurcates incoming signals based entirely on the certainty of the environment and the required boundaries of action. The red path is isolated. Independent safety systems, like safety PLCs and emergency stops, reside here, operating independent of higher-level networks. The yellow path governs deterministic actions. When behavior and authority are known, standard PLC logic, workflows, and alarms execute routinely. The foundational rule of M0N0 is absolute. ISA IEC 62443 cybersecurity principles and physical safety protections are never delegated to an AI model. By isolating deterministic safety constraints at the hardware layer, the platform builds the secure operational envelope required to safely introduce advanced analytics. Returning to the architecture flowchart, we follow the brown path. This route applies machine learning strictly to problems that are genuinely uncertain, multivariate, or predictive. This excerpt from the peer-reviewed manuscript details M0N0 V2.1, an intelligent decision support framework engineered specifically for this predictive thermal monitoring challenge. The machine learning pipeline begins by querying the SCADA historian. It extracts highly specific temporal and statistical features from vast amounts of continuous thermal data. This 3D scatterplot visualizes the core engine of the framework, the isolation forest algorithm. The dense clustering represents thousands of data points, mapping a normal, stable thermal profile. Because it utilizes unsupervised learning, the isolation forest trains entirely on this normal historical behavior. When subtle thermal anomalies occur, the corresponding data points physically separate from the main cluster. The model assigns them an anomaly score based on their isolation. This is the Thermal Health Index gauge, which transforms multivariate anomaly scores into an operational metric. The THI fluctuates between 0 and 100 across 4 risk levels, providing real-time health assessment. It acts as an early warning system, hours before a fixed SCADA threshold triggers. The framework delivers rigorous accuracy on industrial SCADA data, achieving an F1 score of 0.75, a ROC OUC of 0.88, and a PR OUC of 0.75. Translating invisible data relationships into a continuous health index gives engineers the predictive operational intelligence needed to secure downstream product quality. If a localized heater begins to fail, the subtle drop in temperature will cause the THI gauge to fall out of the green zone and into a critical warning state. The AI does not execute a shutdown. It outputs a probabilistic recommendation and flags the specific thermal region, triggering the risk-calibrated human arbitration layer. A plant engineer reviews the model's hypothesis alongside historical baselines. Only after human validation is a consequential action, like generating an emergency work order in the CMMS, authorized. The system then tracks the physical response through the outcome observation layer. It verifies if the maintenance action executed and records the downstream causal impact on the degassing room's thermal stability. Finally, the original evidence, the AI recommendation, the engineer's rationale, and the verified outcome are packaged into a decision-action-outcome black box, forming a permanent enterprise decision twin. This creates a closed evidence loop. The manufacturing enterprise systematically updates its operational baselines and learns from exceptions without ever bypassing physical safety or human governance. Viewing the complete M0N0 V2.1 flowchart, the full lifecycle of industrial intelligence becomes visible, connected by a continuous, governed feedback loop. The platform exists to turn distributed infrastructure signals into decision-grade intelligence. You measure to manage, and you manage to maximize. The next required step to implement this architecture is a structured site survey, a data quality assessment, and a tightly controlled order-to-customer pilot defined by measurable acceptance criteria. M0N0 Engineering, from signals to intelligence. To begin your assessment, contact Dr. Mohammed Mahmoud Nuruddin via Druze Tech Online.